Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start on the chart page, open Settings now. Click the gear icon at top right of the chart or right-click and choose Settings. This controls theme globally. Once in Settings, focus on the Appearance or Theme tab. This is where Tradingview stores color modes. You're doing this because the site enforces theme layers, so changing here affects background, grid, and indicators all at once. Make sure you're on the chart window, not the watch list or screener. Those won't show the same options. Now change the theme setting to light or pick a custom preset and set background to white or light gray. This removes dark mode elements. You'll also adjust grid and text colors so lines and labels stay visible. Indicators inherit chart colors, so check them. Once done, click Apply or Save Layout. Tradingview uses layouts to remember themes across sessions. If you use multiple layouts, repeat for each one, because theme is saved per layout rather than account-wide in some cases. Finish by saving the layout, then refresh Tradingview to ensure the light theme loads consistently. If it reverted to dark, clear your browser cache and hard reload, because cached CSS can force dark styles. Also disable privacy or style-altering extensions temporarily. Those often inject dark themes. If problems persist, reset the layout to default and repeat the appearance change. That removes corrupt settings. One troubleshooting tip: test in an incognito window to isolate extension interference quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.